Much love, fam, and welcome back. Today I have a video for you about why your locks are not growing or why they may not be growing. I've got 3 big things, so definitely stay tuned. Like this video if you like this video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's do it. All right, fam, first off, I hope you are doing well. If it's during the week or weekend when you are seeing this, the day or night, I hope you are well and having a good time. I definitely am. Thank you so much for watching. So my first reason why your locks are not growing is if you started your locks, got your locks started, put your locks in, and then that was it. You said, okay, my hair is in locks now and I don't have to do anything else. That is a huge reason. One thing I used to do when I would get braids or twists, and I say get, but most of the time I would do them myself, is I would then neglect my hair. I would be done. I'd be like, oh, thank goodness I have braids, I'm good to go for a couple months, and I would leave them things in for a while, you guys. I would leave my braids and twists in so long that people would think they were locks. They would look like locks, which, I didn't care. But that's sometimes I would be like up on my care and stuff, but that didn't come till much later. When I was younger, it was put them things in and I'm good to go for a few months. And that is so not true. Same with braids and twists, and especially when you have your locks, you want to treat your hair well the whole time. You still want to keep up on your care. You don't want to go overboard, but you want to be moisturizing. You want to be washing, definitely. You want to be paying attention to your hair, seeing if it needs oils or what it needs. You want to be paying attention to your scalp. So if you just put them things in and was like, now I'm done, let it do its thing, to a certain extent, that's great, but still check in. Am I needing some moisture? Is my hair, dry? Do I need to wash? Do not just go and not wash. So that may be a reason why, that is a huge reason why your locks are not growing, or I should say growing as much as you want them to, or at the rate you want them to, because our hair is always growing, but perhaps you're not retaining or you're not seeing that growth. Okay, and the second thing goes along with that our hair is always growing, is that it may in fact be growing or growing, at the rate you want it to, because again, our hair is always growing, but you're just not seeing it. When your hair is locked, it will take a little bit longer for you to start to see growth in the beginning. So it's growing, but the saying, a washed pot never boils. If you're constantly like searching for that growth, measuring and waiting for it every second. Oh, it's been a month. It should be much longer now. Oh, it's been this long. Then you're probably just not seeing it. So my advice there is to just chill out. Let your hair go ahead and do its thing. Give it some time so you can start seeing the growth. And then once you do, you'll be super surprised. And even so, if you want something to do during that time, take pictures so you can refer back to them. I know that when I put together like compilations for you guys on my year or, my year and a half or whatever, I'm always amazed when I look back. I'm like, oh, wow, that's where I started, or that's how much happened in a month or in 2 months. It's pretty amazing. So it is growing. You just may not be able to see it. So give it a little time. My third reason your locks may not be growing, or your hair in general may not be growing, and I've said this a bunch of other times, but I need to put it here as well, is moisture. Moisture and washing. Washing is the greatest way I impart moisture, or I impart moisture to my head. I feel like getting your hair underwater and really soaking it. Same with your scalp, is really getting it moisturized. Sprays and things are great for a daily kind of thing, or a little, a little spritz here and there. But to really get it moisturized, you need to get your hair under some water and soaked in some water in your scalp. Everything goes with water. So, water. Are you not washing? Are you not checking in and moisturizing as needed? That is huge. So definitely think about that. If you feel like, oh, my locks just aren't growing how I want them to, or my hair is not growing how I want it to, check in, see if you're washing enough. And then secondly, are you moisturizing or retaining your moisture enough? You guys, I am really feeling my hair today. I am so into it. Maybe it's because someone at the store today told me they loved my hair. But I'm so feeling it right now. It's so like fluffy, but it's so moisturized. And I just love how it's falling. You know how you have days like that? I am so into it. I'm loving it. Okay, so that is my 3 things. Number 1 is, are you neglecting your hair, neglecting your locks? Definitely do not do that. It does need some maintenance. I'm not saying go crazy. You guys know I keep it simple, but check in and see if you're neglecting. Number 2, are you, watch pot never boils. Are you just not seeing it? Are you not giving your hair enough time? Definitely chill out and give it some ample time to grow, then check in. And number 3, are you washing enough? Are you moisturizing enough? Does your hair need moisture? All right, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely let me know what you think down below and how you are doing. And I will see you guys in another few days. All right.